Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga and I'm happy to announce that I'm launching my makeup tutorial series. So from Monday to Sunday, I'll be uploading a video where I'll be describing in detail what I like, my favorite techniques, hacks, products, and anything that you want to know about makeup. Time to talk about foundation. Let's get started. Three compliments of the day. My favorite section. Okay, I love my full lips, I love my whole body, and I love my optimism. Now it's your turn. Tell me your favorite three compliments of the day. I'm gonna start off with my primer. This is gonna be from e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Face Primer. And the function of this primer is to create sort of like a glue before we apply some powder. While my face is still wet, I will be using my powder from Catrice Nude Illusion Loose Powder Transparent Matte. And with my sponge from NYX, I will be transferring this on my face. By the way, foundation is gonna stay a little bit longer. My favorite foundations, you know them, Wet n Wild Foundation Fond de Teint and beige liquid Naturally Flawless Foundation, color Ivory 201. And along with my foundations, I will be using Sephora concealer, color 08. Before my foundation, I will be using this concealer because I think that this way you can use minimum product but have flawless foundation at the end. And as always, I will be applying this on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and a little bit underneath my eyes. I have to work real quick because other way is gonna start drying out. With my beauty blender from NYX, I will be buffing this out till it's perfect. By the way, do not forget that your beauty blender is gotta be wet. Well, this is actually really good. I mean, look at this. A little bit of concealer, powder, and we're ready to go. But one more step ahead, foundation. I'm gonna mix two foundations together from Wet n Wild because the color is a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. With this beige because it's a little bit lighter than my natural skin tone. So we need just the tiniest bit. I don't know, let's do it with my finger. Why not? I will be applying these two foundations on the points where there's no concealer. To set my face, I will be using the same powder that I used a couple of minutes ago, but this time I'll be using just the tiniest bit of the product. I'm picking a little bit on my brush, tapping this off, and setting my under eyes area on my forehead. Basically, I am setting the places where I applied some concealer. How to do contour. First of all, you have to buy this type of brush, this angled brush. This is, by the way, from Essence blush brush. But this blush brush can be used to contour your cheeks, like cheekbones, your forehead, and that's pretty much it. I don't like doing my jawline, and then I'm gonna contour my nose with the help of the same brush. This technique, by the way, from Nikki Tutorials. And I literally want to make sure that my contour looks perfect. That's why I'll be using BH Studio Pro Contour Palette. So today I'll be using this one. Getting a little bit on this guy, tapping this off, and what I'm gonna do is flip this brush the longest side up and create a line. So where I really want my contour to stop or to begin, whatever. A little bit more. And with this kind of like tapping motions, I am applying this product. Now I have to flip this other side like this. And I'm kind of like bringing the color we've applied up to the cheekbone. Same happens with my forehead. Now it's time to do my nose contour, and this is gonna be really cool. So I think that I will be using pretty much the same color. I thought about a little bit lighter version, so I'm gonna mix those two together, tap off, and with the same angled brush, apply this product. Just a little bit, like this. This brush basically changed my life. And of course, the last thing to do with the same powder that we've used 3 times, I'm taking a lot of this product and creating a shape. I will be using my highlighter and my blush as well. So before my highlighter, I guess you've noticed that we don't have any pinky undertone. We really need this. We really have to correct this mistake. And the best way to do it with my Wet n Wild coloricon blush. This blush is something, and with the same brush that I showed you a couple of seconds ago, I'm picking a lot of the product, like I'll be generous, tapping this off and mixing into my contour. My last thing to tell you about foundation and this whole routine is pretty much simple. We will be using this Makeup Revolution highlighter along with my Wet n Wild highlighter. Guys, what is the difference? The difference is huge. I'd say that this highlighter is overpowering, this is super pretty, but at the same time, liquid highlighter is really hard to move, it's really hard to work with. And this highlighter is absolutely everything, but unfortunately this is limited edition. That's why you can buy any highlighter from the same brand. This is, by the way, Wet n Wild. Actually, looks good. And now, it's time to do my right side with a little bit different highlighter. And I'm gonna be using my Beauty Blender because it's so hard to move this product. I've mentioned this before. That's why we have the side of the Beauty Blender. Yes, right here. And I'm applying a little bit of this product on the flat side. Now I start applying this product on my cheek. Look at this, you know? This is exactly what I've been talking about. And with a little bit different side of my Beauty Blender, I'm diffusing this. Yes, it looks good. It's so pretty, but look at this mess. How do I get rid of you? I don't know, with some blush, I'd say. Glowy, but really hard to move. Would I recommend these 2 products? I don't know. I might consider them as being affordable, but at the same time, not the best. The same Wet n Wild rainbow highlighter goes between my eyes, just a tiniest bit on my forehead. I love it, I'm gonna keep this out. I guess it's time to wipe off my powder, and that's it. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back. Probably I'm gonna do my lips off camera as well. And if you're interested how my brows are gonna be done, then please keep watching, and tomorrow you're gonna witness this beauty. I'm finally back, and the final step is to use my Supreme Matte Finishing Spray from Makeup Revolution. This product is one of my favorite. Question of the day: how do I find the love of my life? This is a little bit hard. I've been dating my husband for 9 years. I mean, last week we celebrated our 9th anniversary. So I don't know, just follow your heart and talk a lot. I mean, it helps us every single time we're asking each other what happened today. Just become best friends. Healthy relationship, it's good talk, responsibility, and sex. Okay guys, that concludes my foundation tutorial. If you liked it, then let me know in the comments what you liked about this video, or probably something that you didn't like. Let me know in the comments as well. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye. Till the next one.